Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jane. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review a gift set from Hard Candy. You know, I have never tried hard candy before, so I don't know if they are underrated or just so-so or just so bad that you shouldn't buy them. So yeah, today let's try some of their liquid lipstick. This is retail for $10 at Walmart and it contains 15 liquid lipstick, 4 matte shade, 3 shiny shade, 4 plumping shade, and 4 creamy diamond matte shade. So yeah. You know, let's just cut all the bullshit and get straight into it. Let's try to open this bad boy up and okay. So all you got is this 15 like baby size liquid lipstick, and I think each one is 2.2 gram. 2.2 gram is not, it's like a standard sample size. Let's swatch the violet mousse. Yeah, here we have 4 violet mousse and 3 whatever, and 4 plumping serum, and 4 cashmere diamond matte. Let's try this first shade. This is in the shade, we don't have the name on it. No, it doesn't have name on it or number. It has nothing on it, so I don't know how I can tell you, which is which. Like a nude but pinky nude. What do you guys think? Okay, this is matte, so let's do a kiss test. I think it's pretty dry now. Let's try it. No, just try it out. You can see there's like not too much on it, it's just some disgusting. Yeah, so it's basically that and it stays. And it looks pretty good. Let's move on. So next is like berry shade, but pretty good. It's a cute color, but not what I prefer. Yes, this is pretty deep, like a burgundy color. Oh man. I think this looks okay on my skin tone, but I feel like their liquid lipstick feel really nice. Yeah, and it doesn't dry my lips. So that's good. Oh man, my lips are dying. Not matte. And I don't think that's opaque. I have to say, Hard Candy, they have some great liquid lipstick. It feels so nice and it's not too sticky. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing lip gloss. I mean, it's that lip gloss, but whatever. Yeah, and it looks pretty nice. I don't like it. It's not my color. But I'm pretty sure, someone else will like this color, but not me. The last whatever lipstick, this is red, like a deep red color. Or is that? Oh yeah, it's red. I think I will like this one. What do you think? Next, let's try this plumping serum volumizing lip gloss. So this is lip gloss. This one is pink and with shimmer in it. Is it plumped? Do my lips look bigger? Next, we have a not really shimmer one. You know, basically it looks like nothing. I don't like this collection. No. I think the other two are way better than this one. I mean, like, I don't wear lip gloss because I don't like it. It feels so weird and looks weird on me. Next, we have obviously shimmer in it. Let's try here. So lip gloss basically doesn't have any color. No color payoff. So I think you can, pair it with a liquid lipstick. Is the last serum one? Yeah. We have 4 more Demi matte. This one looks like really orange-ish. I don't think this is matte. Like this is worse than the lip gloss. This is the other one. And this, I don't like it. Okay, we only have 2 more left. I even don't like this color. And last one. I tried all of this 15 liquid lipstick from Candy Girl, Hard Candy, and I want to say that I only like their where is that? Not this one. Yeah, I only like their matte liquid lipstick. I mean, they are like really good. It kind of reminds me of Smashbox, always on liquid lipstick. It's that good. But the other 3, the Demi matte, yeah, the Demi matte, the whatever, and plumping serum, these 3, it's not good, it's not opaque, I just don't like them. So if you want to get some Hard Candy liquid lipstick, then definitely go with the matte one, because the matte one is just stunning. But these 3, no, it doesn't worth the money. So I guess this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and stay strong and love yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye!